Hey guys, welcome back to my next art book preview video. This week we've got the Sundry Art of Evana, a Trinket publishing book. Quick look at the front and back there, really nice cover, hardback. So let's get straight into this one. So I came across Evana's work quite a while ago. I made a video on a book that was like an Omaniki Editions book. In fact, let me grab that. So this book here, this one's a little bit thicker and newer, and this is the art of Evana Kisa Face to Face, and the work in there absolutely blew my mind. I would describe it as a slightly more adult Disney style, and that doesn't mean that Disney isn't an adult style, but maybe because of the way she draws her females, it's just a little bit more adult. Absolutely blew my mind though. Loved the art style. I think Evana actually commented on the video, so I was quite lucky there. That was really cool. But this one's definitely an older book, and you can tell it's an older book. You can see how her style has changed a little bit, but it's still really nice. I wanted to get my hands on basically any of her art books, Evana's art books. I could only find the two that, well, the one that I've just shown and then this one. So as far as I'm aware, there aren't any others. But if you guys know differently, definitely let me know in the comments below. Because I'm kind of becoming a little bit obsessed with this style. I know she's a comic book artist as well as working on video games. So I have seen on Amazon, I think there's a French comic or a couple of French comics. And I'm sure the artwork in them will be incredible. But I'm definitely more of a sketchbook, art book person than I am a comic book guy. I mentioned that I think of Evana's work a little bit Disney-esque. Some of it, yes. Some of it, not so much. It's just, you know, that's the best way I can think to describe it. Very detailed, though. She's definitely got a fond interest in, well, stylization, but also characters that are animals, or I forget the word for it, but like furries and things like that. I don't know tons about that kind of art. It's not something I'm into myself, but I think it's really cool, especially when it's done right. In fact, that does remind me, I did a book preview video for Hedvig Artbook. This one is another that's very Disney style with a lot of awesome animal drawings, cartoony, but really well done, very stylized, really, really high quality book, and incredible artist, both of these guys, so definitely check those out. I will put links in the description box below to any related art videos, because I've got quite a collection now. And you can tell she's also got this very sort of cutesy style. Not everything in here is cutesy, but a lot of it is, like a chibi, small animal kind of thing. And it's not a huge book in terms of the page count. I can't remember if I already mentioned that or not, but it's really, really cool. Like a lot of my art books, I find, you know, some of the content isn't as good as others, whereas Evana's books, I think, are just absolutely filled to the brim with awesome artwork. So that's pretty much it, guys. I'm going to leave it at that. If you found this video useful, make sure that you subscribe to the channel. It really helps me out a lot. And that's it. Thank you for watching.